Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to customize and optimize Copper defaults. Okay, so to customize and optimize Copper defaults, you can go ahead and adjust these settings for record types, pipelines, and email automations through the Workspace settings menu. Now, to access the Workspace settings menu, just go ahead over to the top left, click on your company or username. Now, go ahead and click on Workspace settings. Okay, and here, as you can see, in this tab, you have a ton of settings or options. Okay, as I said earlier, you can go ahead and adjust your settings for record types under manage fields on records. You can go ahead and add, remove, or reorder fields by just using these icons. Okay, and also dragging and dropping. And by the way, if you want a step-by-step guide on how to use or how to further customize your Copper account, you can go ahead and check our channel. We have a list of Copper tutorial videos. Okay, so another one is by customizing your pipeline. Down here, as you can see in the left pane, you have pipelines, stages, loss reasons as well. You can go ahead and add in another loss reason from here, maybe deal lost. Okay, hit on OK. There you go. Stages as well. You have these options, like as you can see here for sales. This pipeline, when you go ahead and click on edit, as you can see, we have the win probability, and you can go ahead and enable the sales tracking settings in here. Okay, now going back, by customizing and optimizing your Copper defaults, you could go as far as optimizing email visibility as well. Okay, in here, let's just go ahead and find the email tab, which is under the automation section. Click on email automation. Okay, you have the option here to automatically email people I haven't heard from in a while, or automatically email people in a saved filter, companies, pipelines, and pipelines. And in here you have your account settings and personal preferences. Okay, we have email settings and templates as well. Okay, again, if you want to know more about customizing your preferences and templates, we have a ton of videos in this channel. Okay, my preferences right here. You can go ahead and change your profile picture, the default currency, and some other options. Okay, and that is it. That is how you customize and optimize your Copper defaults in Copper CRM. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.